Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to post on Bluesky. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Bluesky application. Launch your Bluesky application here. And if you haven't created an account, then you have first create an account and verify your account to get started. So once verified, you can now click this paper with a pencil icon. Now you can't post if you haven't verified your account. So after they have sent confirmation to your Gmail, you have to enter the confirmation code right here. And then you can now post or say something here on your Blue Sky. So for example, I'm going to post hello. And then as you can see, there are options below. You can add a picture. You can attach also a video here. And then you can take a selfie. Tap the camera icon, take a picture. And then you can also add GIF or emojis. Also, as you can see, there is this language, so you can change your language. If you want to set this to English, just tap English. If you want to change, just change it. You can refresh to see your post or go to your profile to see your post. So basically, that's how easy it is to post on Blue Sky. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.